Hi guys, welcome to my fourth helpful and useful chess video out of 100. This game starts with the king's pawn opening. Your opponent responds in similarly. White develop his knight with attacking this a5 center pawn. This opening name is king's knight variation. Then black plays knight f6 and is invited by this knight to capture this e5 center pawn. This opening name is Petrov defense, so as expected white take this pawn. It's called the classical variation. Black takes back, it's Damiano defense. Then white plays queen e5 and attacking this black knight. If knights return home, then the black queen will be gone. Let me show you how. Pay attention to the board and see it. Okay guys, I am very sorry for showing this bad trick. So let's go back in this position. This time black best move was queen e7. Then white takes your knight very happily. We play the pawn d6 and attack this knight. If his knight moves anywhere, black lost his queen. So black's best move was pawn d4, takes and takes. Then we play the knight c6 and attack this e5 center pawn. If blacks defends it with the bishop, then we play the dangerous move pawn d4 and attack this bishop. The bishop moves to g3 because it is protecting this e5 center pawn. Then we play the another tactical move, it's pawn f5. This time it's attacking for the white queen. The white queen moves to safety. And finally the black bishop is trapped. Guys, this video is end. See you in my next video. Please like, share and comment, or definitely subscribe this Chess Dangerous YouTube channel because my dream of 100k subscribers in my channel. I am thankful for all my subscribers. I always try to make a better chess video for all my visitors. So pray for me and always be good. Tata and bye bye.